Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove card on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Shop app and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to this below tab here, so below right, there's accounts tab there, just click on it. So when you click on your accounts tab here, so you'll see this option here. So now what you're going to do, there's a settings option. Click on settings option, and then under settings you'll see payment methods. So click on payment methods, and then here you can add your card. So on your top right there will be a plus option here, so click on it, and then this is where you can add your card. So enter your card details and then hit on save card, and that's it, your card will be added. And if you want to remove a card, so for example here I've got this card added. If you want to remove it, simply click on it, and then when you click on it, when you open it, and underneath you'll see a delete option there, simply hit on delete to remove it. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.